Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error message 0x80246007 when downloading and installing Windows updates. The error message reads that some update files are missing or have problems. We'll try to download the update again later, and then again followed by that error code message 0x80246007. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match, you'll come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side underneath Options, go ahead and select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. Hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. One other thing I want to try as well would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word. Attach that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then I would suggest restarting your computer. And hopefully now if you proceed to check for and download Windows updates, you should not be encountering this issue or error any longer. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.